Hi! Hello world! Pregnant Giselle Bundchen was spotted with her boyfriend Joaquim Valiente as they are enjoying a romantic beach vacation in Santa Teresa, Costa Rica on Thanksgiving Day. It's lovely to see Giselle happy on her new stage, isn't it that they make a beautiful couple? Could marriage be next for Giselle and Joaquim? He would marry Giselle, a source tell Entertainment Tonight of the Jiu-Jitsu instructor. He wants to take the next step. He is very traditional, but she isn't in a rush. For now, the couple is focusing on welcoming their first child together. He could be more thrilled to be expecting a child with her, sources added. Giselle is Joaquim's whole world and he is so in love with her and her kids. As for how Giselle is feeling amid being pregnant with her third child, the source says the supermodel is beaming. She loves being pregnant, she feels energetic and she is glowing. She is loving every minute of her pregnancy. Thank you to all the sources. Lovely day to all. Always like, comment, share, and subscribe on my channel. Thank you!